Roy's Academy, a complete e-learning solution for Olympiad, CBSE, ICSE, IIT JEE competitive exam and spoken English. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel. For getting more videos, please press the bell icon for instant notifications.
Hello dear student, welcome to Roy's Academy. In the discussion of previous year question of class 1 mathematics. So dear student, today we will discuss 2019 set 1 mathematics question. So at first we will discuss here the logical reasoning section. Okay, so let's start our discussing. So in the first question number 1, there is asking select the odd one out. Okay, so we have just check here, that is there is given in option A parrot, pigeon, cat, and last one is sparrow. So dear student, you have to choose here which one is odd. Okay, so I will give you time, you have to choose that which one is odd from this option. Okay, dear student, we will discuss here one by one. So at first we see here in option A, option B, in and option D, there is a given birds. Okay, so bird is not terrestrial animal, it is fly on the sky. Okay, but in the case of C, that is cat. Cat is a terrestrial animal and as well as it is a mammal. So that's why we have to tell there that is odd from that option. Okay, so that's why we have to tell there C is a odd one out. Other are birds. Okay, so A, B, C belongs to same category, but in the case of C, it is not belong to same category. So that's why we have to tell there that is option C is the right answer from that question. Okay, dear student. Now, in the next question is asking there are dash teddy bears outside the box. Okay, so look at this picture and tell me clearly how many teddies there are in the outside. Okay, so let's count it. Okay, so we can see there are some teddies inside the box and some teddies are outside the box. We have to consider here only the teddies which is outside the box. So in that case, we have just recognized there are 1, 2, and 3 teddy bear outside the box. So in that case, we have to tell there are 3 teddy bears in outside the box. So consider of this, A will be the right answer. 3 teddy bears are outside the box. So that's why we have to tell there that is A is the right answer. Okay, dear student, am I clear up to this point? Okay, so next we have to move in question number 3. What is asking there? 5 group of dash bicycle each can form the given bicycle. Okay, so that's why we have to count 5 group. That means 5 bicycle in each group. So you have to just do that and tell me the answer. Okay, dear student, don't worry, I will help you. Just see there. We have to just made here 5 group. Okay, so that means in each group there are 5 bicycle. So we have to just make it 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so this is the first group. In next case, we have to just grouping there 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's why we can see that this is the first group and this is the second group. Okay. So now we have to just tell there we make from these bicycles of two groups. Okay. And it is simplified as that we see there are 10 bicycles. Okay. And this 10 bicycle, if we make it in each group of 5 bicycle, so we have to divide in simply way, we have to divide. Okay, so in this division we have to say that we get as a 2 because we know that 5 2s are 10, so that's why there are making of two groups. So that's why we have to making from this tens bicycle of two groups. Okay, so that's why B will be the correct answer. Okay, am I clear, dear student? We have to just count or we have to just divide in that manner so we can get the right answer. Okay, am I clear? Okay, dear student, next we have to discuss the next question. There is a figurative question, so we have to just read out very carefully. Which of the following options will complete the pattern in the given figure? Okay, so you just see there this picture very carefully, and from that picture we can get the answer. Okay, so let's check the option here, then I will help you which is the right answer. Okay, dear student, so let's do it. Okay, so at first you have to just see there, this is a rectangular box and the outside or outer color will be just pink here. We can see that. That means the outside color will be pink. So we just see there in which section we can see the outside or the outer color pink. So that is 1, 2, and 3. That means this option we just reduce here because there is a no pink color. Okay. Now we have to just see there, that is the semi outer, that means second layer. We can see that this is the green color, and you can see there this kite figure is just complete here like that. Okay, so that means in that place that will be green color. Okay, so we just see there in which place we can find it green color. So in option B and option C we just found here this is a green color. Okay, so that's why we have to just cross this option D. Okay, now we have to just discover the ultimate thing which we recognize that which is the right answer from option B and option D. Okay, so you guys just see there the inner place there will be one rectangular, and you just see there this is the one rectangular complete, and this is the yellow color. Okay, so that means in yellow color we can see it. Okay, but in that case this yellow color outside this yellow color there will be green. So in that case C has the right thing, so we can see that there is a green portion, but in that case it is a pink color, so that's why B will not the right answer. Okay, now we have to check there very rationally that C is the right answer. So guys, you can see there outside is pink. Okay, and we just see there this completion of this kite figure of green color. So you just see there this is a completion of that, and last one we just see there this part is yellow color and this part has in this left section. So we just see that this is in left section, but in that case of B we could not see that it is on right section. Okay, so that's why we have to tell there option C is the right answer because it is on the left side, and we just complete the left side. Okay, so that's why A is the right answer. So guys, you have to just see there with the reduce of the option or negate of this option, we can easily find out which is the right answer. Okay, so that's why I'm suggest you that is you have to just see all of the figure, and next you have to just choose which one is the right answer. Okay, so that is the thing you have to be remembered there. Am I clear, dear student? Okay, so now we have to move the next question. In question number 5 there is a given a calendar, and with this calendar there is a asking a question. So there is asking if Ananya starts her dance practice on second Friday. Guys, you have to just remember there is a call of second Friday. Okay. So second Friday, we have to just recognize here which is second Friday. So 7th is the first Friday, and that means 14 is the second Friday. Okay. So that's why second Friday of June 20XX. Then which date does she start her dance practice? Okay, so it is very easy question. We can see here second Friday, that will be 14. So option B is the right answer. That is 14 June is the date. It is the second Friday when she started her dance practice. That means B will be the correct answer from this question. Okay, dear student, am I clear? Okay, so now let's start our next question. Question number 6. So here is counting the here is counting the particular figure from this picture. So what is asking there? Let us see. The number of triangle in the given figure is dash. Okay, so we have to just count here the triangle. Okay, so you have to just do it yourself. Then I will help you. Okay. Okay, dear student, don't worry, I will help you. So there are the triangle are, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is 5. Okay, so there are 5 triangle we can see there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 5 triangle we can count here. So option A will be the right answer here. Okay, dear student. So that's why we have to choose there. Option A is the right answer. Okay. Okay, dear student. We will move on the next question. Question number 7. So we just read this question very carefully. Dash is the fifth from the left end. Guys, you have to remember left end. That means we have to count from the left side. Okay. So you have to count which one is the fifth from the left end. Then I will help you. What will be the right answer? Okay. So you can see there is a at first flower. Second one is bangles. Third one is mango. Fourth one is just cupcake. And fifth one is a alarm clock. Okay, so that's why clock is the right answer. So C will be the right answer. Okay, so that's why alarm clock is the fifth from the left end. So that's why we have to choose this one as a answer. Okay, dear student, you have to remember, you have to count from the left end. So if you are asking that is what will be the right fifth from the right end, so we have to just start from this right place. Okay, so guys, I'm just give you this example for your interest. So if we count from the right end, so we have which one is the fifth from the right end? So this is the first, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, and this is the fifth. Okay, so that means fifth will be the bangle from the right end. So that's why if we are asking what will be the fifth from the right end, so we have to just choose here the bangles. Okay, so but in that case we have to just asking what will be the left fifth from left end. So that's why alarm clock is the right answer, and this is the fifth from the right end of this bangle. Okay, am I clear? Okay, dear student. So let's discuss the next question. Question number 8. So in question number 8, what is asking there? If this figure is related to this figure in some way, then with this same way, this figure is related to which figure of this option? Okay, so you have to do that yourself, then I will help you. Okay, so let's start our discussing here which will be the right answer. So at first we see this figure. So this is a triangular figure. Now the half portion which is on the left, it is just belongs to a number, that is 3. And another half, this part is just color of red. Okay. So now we have to just see there with relate this figure of second figure. So we can see there this figure also triangular shape, but in that case the left side will be red color, and the right side will be just written as a number. So but in that case we just see there 3 plus 1, that is we can get 4. That means we just write here the successor number of previous one. Okay, so that's why you have to tell there in the right place we have to just write there the successor number of the 4, and the left place will be color as a red. So that's why you have to tell that the figure is just reversed here. Okay, so so that's why the left place is a right red color, and the right place will be white, and it is just written in that place a successor number of previous one. So that's why we have to relate with this figure, and we have to find which will be the answer. So guys, if I am just drawing a circle with that similar, so then we have to half of this circle. So guys, you can see there this is the red color which is in right. After that it is in red. So that's why left portion is red. So that's why it is on right portion is orange color. So that's why we have to make here orange in the left portion. Okay. Now we have to just tell there the other portion, that is the right portion, will be just write a numerical thing. So we have to just write there the successor number of 8. So the successor number 8 will be just 8 plus 1. So we can get from there, that is 9. So that's why we have to just write 9 there. So this is the actual answer which we can found from this question. So let's find this figure, which option is belong to this answer. So that's why we have to see there A will be the right option. So in A, we can see there in the right side there is a written the successor number, that is 9, and the left portion is colored here that like a orange. Okay, so we can see there the A will be the right answer. So in this rational way, we have to find which will be the right answer here. Okay, dear student. Okay, so now we have to discuss there the next one, that is a image or the figurative question. So in the given activity occurring in the dash, that is asking here in the morning, evening, night, and cannot be determined. Okay, so what will be the meaning for the cannot be determined? That this from this figure, can we just going come to the answer or not? Okay, so that's why you have to just see their figure and tell me which will be the right answer. Okay. Okay. So that's why we have to just check the figure very carefully. So in that figure, a girl just brushing here. So in the back side, we can see there is a sun rising here. Okay. So at first we have to just tell there. At first you have to just tell me how many times do you brush? Okay. It is twice or 2 times in a day. Okay. One is in morning and one is in night. Okay. So that's why at first we have to tell there in the morning there will be sun, and in the night there will be dark side in the outer place. Okay. So we can see there is a no dark side in the outer place. We just see there are morning. So that's why this sunrise just signifies here, that is it is in the morning time. Okay, so that's why you have to tell there the right answer will be A. In the morning time, she took brush. So that's why the morning is the right answer here. Okay. So you have to just determine here, that is morning is the right answer. if there is a dark side, so that will be we have to tell there it is the night, but here we cannot see that, so that's why we have to tell there that is option A will be the right answer. Am I clear, dear student? Okay, so with this rational thinking, we just easily answer here. Okay. Okay, so now we have to discuss there. That is question number 10. What is asking there? Find the missing number in the given number pattern. Okay, so guys, you have to just see there. There are at first 20, then 18, then 16 question mark, and after that there will be given 12. So you have to just first see there what will be the right answer from this pattern. Okay, so just see that. Okay, so now I'm telling you that at first there will be given 20. Okay, so next number is 18. So for the find of the this pattern or this series, which pattern it is goes on. So we just see there. So at first we write here 20 minus 18. So 20 minus 18 we can get here as a 2. That means the next number will be just reduced here, or we just subtract from the first number of 2. So that's why we are getting the next number, that is 20 minus 2, that is we can get here 18. Okay, next number we have to just recheck here if it is right or wrong. So 18 minus 2, so that's why we get here 16. Okay, so that's why third one is 16. Now we have to just find here what will be in this question mark. So that's why 16 minus 2. Okay, so that will be gives us 14. Okay, so in this place we have to just see there the 14 will be the answer. Okay, so if it is right or wrong, we have to recheck our value. So I am telling you that is if we just subtract 2 from the previous one, we get the next one. So that is what you tell there, 14 minus 2. If we do that, so we can get here 12. So guys, just see there will be 12 here. Okay, so that's why our pattern will be right here. So that's why we have to tell there 14 will be the right answer. Okay, so in that pattern, if we completion of this pattern, so we have to write in the question mark as a 14. So that's why 14 will be the right answer. Okay, so A will be the right answer from that question. So 14 is the right answer. Okay, so this is how can we find this pattern or this series very easily. So you just see there or look there very carefully what will be the right answer. Okay. Okay, dear student. So that's so now we have to just finish this section, that is logical reasoning section. So we have to just conclude this session. In the next session, I will bring the mathematical reasoning in that part. Okay, so that's why till now I'm just ending this session. If you have any doubt or any problem, so just comment here. I will solve your question. Okay, so till then, bye. We will meet in the next session. Okay, dear student, bye.